Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert Excel file to CSV file format. Friends, due to different reasons, sometimes we need to send our Excel data in CSV file format. So to convert Excel data to CSV file format, you simply need to click on File. Here click on Save As. Now select the destination to save the file by clicking on Browse. Now here select the folder. I am selecting Desktop. Now you need to change save as type. For that you need to click on this small arrow and from here you need to select the file format to save the file. Here you will find CSV file format. Select it. After selecting, click on save. Now a pop-up will appear and after reading click on yes. Now this file is saved on desktop. Now our CSV file is saved on our desktop. Now to see it in CSV format, open a notepad and drop the file in notepad, and here you will find your data in columns. So friends, like this you can very easily convert your Excel file to CSV file format. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.